Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to create a Claude AI account. All right, let's begin. First, open your preferred browser and search for Claude AI. You can either install the app or continue directly through the official website. Once on the homepage, choose how you want to sign up, either continue with Google or enter your email and proceed. After selecting your option, you'll be taken to the account setup page. Here, accept the terms of service and confirm that you meet the age requirement. Then click on Create Account. Next, you will be prompted to select a plan. There is a free option available, so you can proceed without upgrading. You may also see prompts to download apps or explore features. These can be skipped. Finally, enter your name. Choose a few interest topics and complete the setup. Your Claude AI account will then be ready to use. So that's basically how you can create a Claude AI account. That's it for this video. Thanks.